Okay, guys, today we are traveling again to an unknown place. It's supposed to be one of the best places for camping, and we are going to do afternoon to night, basically afternoon, evening, and night camping over there. Supposed to be around the property is supposed to be around 4 acres land, which also includes about 60 acres of land in the water side. So it's a surprise, guys. I'm not too sure about if how many people have gone there, but this is going to be something amazing with respect to the how the day is going to be done. It's a one-day package, so we are going to enjoy one day, and we'll see. The climate looks pretty sunny at this point in time, but as per the climate which we have seen yesterday, it's going to shower or thunder in the evening.